I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on Gemini 2026 is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Gemini 2026 Apple website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner, and click on it. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile settings, find and select the Edit Profile option to start making changes to your details. Step 4. Update your information. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Note, if you change your email, look for a verification email in your inbox to confirm the update. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, scroll down and click the Save Changes button to ensure your updates are applied. Now you're all set with your updated profile on Gemini 2026. If you run into any issues, just check the help section for more tips.